This is just for proof. This is my original system that I was building off of. I picked up a graphics card, as you can see here. GTX 1050 Ti. No big deal. Corsair 3K Vengeance. AMD 3600. Fans, I'm not going to bother. The motherboard, highly touted MSI Tomahawk. Nothing. I'm going to give you a live boot. It looks real pretty. You see what I'm going for? I've tried everything. Not one, but two Asus Tough X570s. Here. Tough. Two of them. In this chassis. With the same RAM, same CPU, same GPU. And the latest was the Tomahawk, with the box here, MSI B450 Tomahawk. You can see the system is booted up. After many attempts, I did sysprep before installing anything. I've done the CMOS button numerous times, and I can't get anything. This is a solid state drive. I probably formatted this thing like 40 times, realistically. You can see here's another hard drive that I've been using. Where's the... Oh, on top of this. This is a 2 terabyte hard drive, which originally came from that system over there. All of which failed to boot. This is for documentation purposes. Just in case there's any kind of convolution. This motherboard didn't work. This motherboard didn't work. This one did not work. Look. Get that nice VJ button. It'll probably go to CPU. Probably go to, yep, go to boot. I've tried everything. I've tried up and down. See that? Just flashed. There's no reason this shouldn't work. Like, I can boot this on here. In this system. No problem. By the way, check out the cable management. Well, another time. Anyway. I don't know why this is not working. I spent the past month trying to get something to post or boot into something. These hard drives have been clean to the bone. Both of them. That one. Look, I even have, there's even a recovery disc on here. It doesn't do anything. I just can't do it. There's nothing is going to make it work. it does literally not want to work in my favor at all. As you can see, know what I'm doing here? Trust me, I've taken that battery out, don't worry. Like, this is an easy ass graphic card. How is it, like, you can't tell me this can't handle this at all. Look, Corsair Vengeance, they're in the right spots. Like, whatever bullshit, you know, clips want to be like, oh yeah, you forgot to do this, or like, oh, did you try rebooting it? It's like, no, I've done it. I've done all the basic bullshit you want to suggest. Been there, done that. Chasing my tail. Anyway, this has been a disaster.